Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a custom widget on your Android phone to make your home screen look more aesthetic. So let's start. First, open the Play Store and search for UCCW app. By this app, you can make some custom widgets to use it on your phone. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just open the UCCW app. Now, to make a custom widget, tap on the plus icon on bottom right corner and choose a blank template. First, you have to select the dimensions and give it a name. And then tap Open Editor. I'll just make a custom time widget, so I'll just make one right now. When you are done, you'll see the save icon at the top of the screen. Tap the save icon to save your widget. And now I'll just close the app. Long press the home screen and tap widget on the bottom of the screen and swipe and search for UCCW app. Tap on UCCW and just select a preset of dimension. Now you have to choose the widget you want to use on your home screen. And you're ready to go. Now long press to change the dimensions and resize it accordingly. And that's how you make a custom widget and add to your home screen to make your home screen look more attractive and personalized. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.